Hey, it's Steve Barcelo again from the Crypto Paranormal Museum in Littleton, North Carolina. And this is we're talking about another tool. Once again, I'm dealing with these RYOBI. In this case, it's the RYOBI 1 Plus 18 volt system. This is not a tool. We're dealing with stuff that primarily you can use for camping, investigations, things that fall into the realm. And let me pull this forward a little bit. Use my little bean bag. I'm parked in a rest stop here. I just got done leaving Discount Tools, which is addicting. If you get a chance, stop by. This one's in Smithville, North Carolina. Guys there are great. This one here is a emergency lighting kit. Basically, it's a 360 degree light. It has multiple settings on it for brightness. It comes with a battery, a mounting bracket, and a charger. So the idea is this thing mounts up someplace, and then if you lose power, it illuminates. So you end up with a light source. And the really cool thing about this is, besides being, and it has a flashing mode for emergency, you can literally pick it up and carry it around like a light or put it on a table. And it has 400 lumens, and it will actually run I'm sure in the lower setting for 48 hours, which is impressive. Then another nice thing on this, it has a USB jack, which RYOBI is really good about doing that on a lot of their products to make them multitask. So you can charge a phone or whatever, anything you've got, you need to charge in there. This comes, I think, with a 1.5 amp battery. Normally these go for about $100 if you go to Home Depot or something like that. You always get sales. This one today was, what the heck's the price on this? I think it was 59 bucks. And I got the price right here. Yep, $59.99, and it was 20% off, so $12 off. So $47.99. So that's basically what you would pay for the battery and a charger. So you kind of, once again, getting the item for free. And so it's a pretty cool thing, a nice handy thing to have. The number on this one is P784K, and it's a full kit. Oh, here's the price right there. See, and that's a discounted price of $59.99. Like I said, normally you'd pay like $99 for this thing, or I think maybe it's $89. I don't remember the exact price. But they have a lot of things. Like this, here's something I carry with me when I go on the road. And this one here is an AM/FM Bluetooth radio, little antenna. And the AM/FM part is kind of depends where you are, how well it works. The Bluetooth part works great and actually sounds pretty good. Once again, I bought these. I got these for $10 each. Picked up a couple of them. Now these came without the batteries. They're just tool alone, which is the way you can get a lot of stuff there. Really good deals. And then you buy the batteries. This one here is one of my weaker ones. It's a 1.5 amp. They work well. And it's got the clock on it. It has a little internal battery. You can see that there. But the nice thing about this, once again, it has the USB. So this one has a way to, once again, you can slide your phone in the back if you're using the Bluetooth. And it's a way to not just use your phone, but charge your phone as you're listening to music. It's a handy little thing to have. They've got a couple of different versions. The only thing I wish they had on this one would be like a small little night light. That would have been a nice thing, a small LED. Nothing super bright, but like for like in a tent, if you want to have some music or something, or you just want to, read a book or something, if you want to have music in the background, and have a little tiny light in here would have been nice. But the stuff's made well. You can get good prices. You have to do a little shopping around, go down to these discount places. I mean, you can buy them for full price, and it's a good tool for the money. But I shop around. I get all kinds of bargains here. Like I said, with my the batteries now, I must have 12 batteries easily. And like I said, today I just picked up some of the 40 volt stuff. This one here is an inverter. So I'm trying with their bigger batteries. First time I've got that. I haven't taken out of the blister pack until I get back to the museum. But I've had really good success with these. A lot of other people have seen me use them. And this is why I started doing these videos. We're trying to show the different equipment, from camping gear, from simple things as stoves that work that you can pack down quick, to flare cameras, game cameras, night vision, just tripods, things like the mounting bracket I'm using here, the stuff now, because we're trying to go out there and be as efficient as possible to do all this. And this RYOBI stuff so far has been working out great. And the best part about it, especially with the 18 1 Plus system, all the batteries fit everything. So you obviously, the larger consumption things like say a circular saw or something like that, you're going to want to put like a 3 or 4 or 6 amp battery in it because you get any kind of real runtime out of it. One of the things I use all the time, believe it or not, is this cordless grinder. Now, I don't use it a lot for my own personal stuff, but in the town, a little, I'm a town commissioner, I'm forever cutting chains and locks off things. Can't find the key, some gates locked, we need to get in there. In seconds, I can cut the things off. It's just amazing. It works so well. So once again, just a handy thing, and I think I picked that up, the tool without a battery once again. I think that was like a $20 item or something like that, which would normally probably like be $59. And there's all different levels of things. But that's good and heavy duty. You know, it's just amazing. I'm kind of probably have some kind of sick addiction to going into these places, spending too much money, but I'm loving it. And even this thing here, like once again, I did a little short video on this one, but here, this is a 300-watt battery inverter. I mean, how handy! Nice small little thing to have, and it has you know, multiple USBs and 110, so you can, you know, literally plug in pretty much whatever you want, and just as long as you have batteries that are charged, you can keep on going. But anyway, that's it for the couple of tool videos I'm going to do today. I'm still hoping to get out and do a little bit of paranormal investigating. I'm going to get out of this rest stop here and start heading back and see what I can find. I've got all my locations set up here to see where I can get in. If not, if I don't get that, at least I've got a couple of tool videos set up for you guys today. Thanks again for watching, supporting us. And if you get a chance to go down to Discount Tools, just tell the guys that Steve from the Cryptozoology Museum sent you. And the guys are great. There's the sale that's going on now, I think, is to the 31st, but give them a call and just make sure. And actually, I can even give you their number and I'll hold it up to the screen. 919-934-7780. And here, I'll hold that up so you guys can see. I hope you can see. There you go. And they're good guys. They're very knowledgeable, and I think they get quite a kick out of the craziness that we're doing and using all this stuff. But you know, when you're going out and doing this camping and investigations and stuff, it's just so nice to have equipment. And God forbid something's not charged, be to plug something in. And I've been very lucky not to have a blackout since I've got all this equipment at my house. But God forbid I ever do, I'm going to be set. I'm going to have a lot of stuff. So I'm going to get started up here. I'm in the Durango. It's noisy, but thanks for watching and subscribing, and don't forget to share and tell your friends about it, and we'll be seeing you soon.